Ever wondered what to do with all those leftover lemon or orange peels? Instead of tossing them out, you can turn them into a powerful homemade cleaner that's perfect for any Aussie kitchen. Citrus peels often get thrown in the bin, but they're packed with natural oils that cut through grease and grime while leaving a fresh, zesty scent. To start, grab a clean glass jar and fill it with your citrus peels. Lemons, oranges, or limes all work well. Next, pour plain white vinegar over the peels until they're completely submerged. Seal the jar tightly and store it in a cupboard for 2 to 3 weeks. During this time, the vinegar will extract the citrus oils, creating a natural, effective cleaning solution. After steeping, strain out the peels and pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Before using, dilute the solution by mixing it half and half with water. One important warning: avoid using this cleaner on stone benches like marble or granite, as the vinegar's acidity can damage these surfaces. When you use this cleaner, you'll notice your kitchen smells fresh and clean without any harsh chemicals. The takeaway? Next time you enjoy citrus fruit, save the peels and make a simple, eco-friendly cleaner that's good for your home and the environment.